Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your domain you already have on Cloudflare to get emails. If you already have your domain already from the people who have bought the Go High Level package, the Total Reach, and they have bought a particular domain, they linked it with Cloudflare and they are using it on Go High Level. That particular domain, you can still use it to create emails. You don't even have to buy another one. In this video, I'm going to show you that. You don't even have to buy the hosting account. That domain you have on Cloudflare is just enough for you to get emails. And the platform we are going to be using is Zoho. So you go to zoho.com/mail. So when you are here, you can click on pricing. You can see that Zoho is going to cost you 260 naira for one email per month, but they have free account, they have free package here, and it is free forever. With this, they are going to give you 5 emails for your domain. So if you need up to 7, like you advise you to create maximum of 7 accounts on Apollo. If you need 7, after creating 5, after using the 5 to create on Apollo, then you can delete 2 out of the emails, then you create another 2, so to add up to 7. So there's no problem with that, but you can only have 5 at a time on Zoho. So click on sign up now. So when you are here, you enter your name, you enter your email address, here you enter your password. So an OTP has been sent to my email. I will refresh. So I have it. I will copy the OTP. I will paste it here. Verify. So after doing that, you can see add an existing domain, buy a new domain. So as for me, I want to add an existing domain that I already have. I click on add now. It's asking me what is the domain I want to add. So I will go to my Cloudflare account. This is the domain I want to add on Cloudflare. I will copy it. I will paste it here. The organization, I can just write anything. The industry, you can just choose anything that is closer to what you are doing. Click on add now. So you click on proceed. So you are going to add this record. So you go to Cloudflare, you click on your domain you already have. You go to DNS, you come to this DNS, you click on add record. You can see that I was asked to add text record. You can see TXT record. So here I'm going to click on this. I will choose TXT. At this place I will put art, because this is what I have here. You can say art or leave it blank. So I'll put art. And here I'm going to paste this that I copied, this particular one. I'm going to paste this there. So after doing that, I'm going to save it. After saving it, I'll come to this place and click on verify. You can see it is verified. So they have seen that I'm the owner of the domain from that I did. Now the very first email I want to create, what is it? So I'm going to create one at aziz-business.com.ng. That's the very first email I want to create, and it's going to be the administrator. So I'm going to click on create. So that's it. So I can now create the other ones too. I can create other ones. I can click on add. I can enter the name. This username is going to be the second email. So I'll click on, I will type 2, and the password I can just type. So I can type this and click on add. So I've added the second email address. I'll click on add more user. So the user is regarded as the email. I will type the same thing. I will type the same name. So instead of 2 here, I will type 3. So the password, I want to use the same password. I just click on add. So I click on add more user until I create all the 5. Alright, so if I should click on add again, let's see. It's going to prompt that I should pay. You can see they don't have license. Please purchase licenses to add more user. So you can see. So let me just go back. So I don't want to pay. So these are the 5 emails I have now. So I will click on proceed to set up groups. I don't have to set up the groups. I'll just click on proceed to DNS migration or DNS mapping. So I'm going to create all these records too. You can see the very first record, there's going to be MS record, and the host is going to be at, and the value is going to be this, and the priority is going to be 10. So I will go to my Cloudflare. I'll click on add record. Here now it's going to be MX record, MX. Here it's going to be at. Here is going to be this that I copied, and here is going to be 10. So I will add this record. So the second one, the same thing, MX record at, but this is going to be the value, and the priority for this one is going to be 20. I'll click on add again. I will choose MX at. I will paste this mail server there. I will choose 20 here for the priority. I will click on save. So the next one is going to be the same thing, but now the priority is going to be 50. I will click on add record. MX record is going to be at. Here I will paste this, and here is going to be 50. So I will click on save. So what's the next thing there? Now I will create a TXT record. It's going to be at, and this is going to be the value. It's not going to have any priority. TXT. So here it's going to be at, and here is going to be the content. I'll click on save. You can see it here. Now the next one is going to be TXT record too, but it's not going to be at. Now it's going to be this, and I'm going to bring this one as the value. So I'll come to this place again, add record, TXT. So I'll paste this there. It's not going to be at for this particular one. I'll come back here to copy the second one here, which is the value. So I'll paste it here. So I'll click on save. So after doing all those, I'll come back here and click on verify. So it's going to verify all these things that I've done. You can see everything has been verified. So domain data migration, just click on proceed to mobile. When you are here, just click on proceed to setup. So the setup is complete. You can go to admin console. You can see I have 1 domain and I have 5 users, as in 5 emails. So those are 5 licenses that I have. So what I can do now is that I'm going to log into the email address. So what I'm going to do now is that I will go to mail.zoho.com. This might take a while. You have to wait. It's even fast. So when you are here now, you can see. You can just skip. All right. So this is the email. You can see the email. Welcome at Zoho. So if you click on this particular my profile, you are going to see that this is the one at aziz.com.ng. So this is the very first email address you have. So you can sign out of this and log into the other. So if you want to receive an email here, this is the inbox. As you have seen, you should be able to use this now. So if you go to Apollo, for example, and you click on sign up for free, and you tick on this and you copy this, you put this one there and you click on sign up for free. So let's see if you are going to receive it here. All right, so you can see under this notification I have it, support from Apollo, activate your account. So the email has come. I will just right click and open your tab. You can see under notification. I didn't see it in the inbox, but I saw it under these notifications. So with that, you can see my Apollo account is already activated. I will write the name and do this. So if you want to log into the second email account, just come here, click on sign out. So when you click on sign out, you click on sign in again. to log into the second one. So you write your email address and you click on next and you enter the password and you log into the second one. This is how you're going to be switching between all these accounts. As for this Zoho account, you can also download their app on Play Store and you can also control everything on Play Store. For the people who are using iPhone too, you can download it on Apple Store. So they have an app where you can log in and control all your emails there. If you have a domain from Google Host, you connect the domain to Cloudflare, and from Cloudflare you are going to link it to Zoho to get your emails. So this is how to do it. We ask warahmatullah to assist us. If you don't know how to connect your domain from Google Host to Cloudflare, then you have to watch the e-commerce training while I was teaching how to use the Go High Level, the Total Reach package. So I discussed how to use that, how to connect the Google Host to Cloudflare. So if you have already connected to Cloudflare, then this is how to get your emails without even buying another domain or hosting. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.